In this segment, we are going to talk about Microsoft Access forms. Forms are very important when it comes to managing data in terms of data entry, data deletion, data addition, and any form of function you want to perform on data. It becomes easier when you have a form. It becomes a bit cumbersome to work within these tables. So how do we create a form? You go to create. The easiest way to create a form is to select this first option, form. So when I click on it, it will create for me a form, as much as it is giving it a name customer T, but we can change this to customer F. F means customer form. So when I do that, save, when you click on save, I can change this one to F, which means customer form. The purpose of making sure that we append the letter according to the name of the object is for us to be able to follow through. So you can see we've created a customer form. Remember, this is a table. I can as well close it, but this is a form. And I think most of us, we've interacted with these forms in other applications. So this is how you can create a form. You can see I'm able to now, when I come down here, these are navigation buttons. When I navigate, you can see I can easily see record by record. It's easier here to manage the forms. You can see it has also created a sub form here. This is called a sub form because we connected the customer table to a customer order table. We connected the customer table to order table. The two are connected in a relationship. That's why they are two kind of sections. So you can as well create table using other methods. So our table is here. We can always close and open it. And one of the things, probably before I show you the other method, here it may not clearly show that it's actually a table, but I want this table to float over my screen. So you go to File, Options, and you select current database and click on overlapping windows. As you can see now, the form is floating. It is easy to navigate around. Previously, it was not floating. So it's because we changed the option here to overlapping windows. Previously, it was tabbed documents, but now this is overlapping. That's why the form is floating. You can float it around on the screen. So having done that, I'm going to show you how to create a form from scratch without using the auto way. You realize that you can even go to design view, right click. Design view means you go behind the form and even change the colors. So this is how you do it. I can change this color to maybe a blue, this one here. I can even change this text. You click the text and you change the text to the color you want. It can be this dark blue. You can change this section as well, maybe to a darker gray, depending on what you want. Maybe that's too dark, or any color you want. You can also change this lower part here. Here there's a part you can drag a bit so that you give it a very good look. So you can as well change that lower part to resemble the color of the top part, and here I can say let me give it this color, or this color, and then at the end of the day I have created my form and redesigned it so it comes out like this. Very nice. I can as well go back and remove this T such that it is clear customer. You can say customer form or customers, whatever you prefer. You can save. So this is the form, but we can as well create a form from scratch, whereby you say form design. You click on form design, and here the form comes with nothing, and we have to design this form by ourselves. So what you do, you need to look up for the table you want to connect, and you double click here. You go to record source. We want to connect. This time maybe let's make a form from order table, using order table. Then having done that, you close this property sheet. You can as well extend this here. I can click here and change the colors a bit. I can use that dark gray. So having done that, I can now look up for the data I want to use on this form. Okay, to look up for the data, you click on design. You say add existing fields. So you double click here. You click once and then click on this customer ID, so you can drag and drop. This is the manual way of what we are making forms. You can as well pick all. You click on the shift key, click on the first one, the last one, and I can drag all at the same time. Let me change the color of the background, and see what I get, because this background is probably too. So this is our form. It's taking shape, and this is how we create a form from scratch without using the other automatic way. But of course the automatic way will speed up the process. And having done that, you can close. Do you want to save changes? Yes. Then call this order F form and say OK. So our form is created, as you can see here. So this is how you do it, and you can see you can navigate through the form. But however, this time it has not brought a sub form. I will show you in the subsequent videos how to bring on the other sub form, and will be good to go.